Hi everyone. In this Excel video, we understand the cell reference. What is the cell reference? What kind of cell reference we are using in Excel? When we using? So these are things we understand in this video. Before we start this video, we understand the basic one thing. So you should be have remember whenever you working on Excel. So one thing is ABCD. This is called the column, and column is a vertical. Okay, and second, the 1 2 3 4, this is the numerical, this is the row, and row always is horizontal. Column is vertical and row is horizontal. Column ABCD and row is 1 2 3. Okay, now what is the cell reference? So what is the cell reference? I show you the one with example. Equal, select this, plus, and this. So this is called the cell reference. So B for column and 3 is row. C column, 3 for row. So this is called the cell reference. Okay. Next, cell reference. What kind of cell reference we are using in Excel? So three kind of: relative, absolute, and mixed. So I show you one by one with example. You will better understand between the difference, and you can use the according requirement very easily. So first is the relative. Relative says I will change accordingly cells. So for example, equal, plus this, plus, and enter. And when I drag, so here you can see the reference B3 C3. Okay. When I click B4 C4, C, B5 C5. So this is called the relative reference. So here you can see the accordingly change. Understood? Next, absolute. Absolute says I need to fixed. I will no change. So I show you the with example. Equal, type equal, type equal, select this, plus, and we set the criteria 20 and enter. So you can see that 90 plus 20 is answer is correct. But when I drag, so you can see the 75 75 55 55. So these are answer is not correct. Why happening this? Because the reference, if you check, the C4 is correct, but F3 is blank here. That's why only shows the 75. You can see the another. See, C6. So your relative is right, but F5 you are blank. See, C7 is right, F6 is blank. So how to fix the this error? So again again go to cell reference and we need to fix. So how we will fix? With, so we will fix with the F4. So press Fn plus F4. When I using the laptop, you have to press Fn plus F4. Okay, and enter, and double click on it. And now you here you can see the answer is showing is correct. 75 20 95, 55 20 75, 72 plus 92, 65 20 85. See, F2 is here fixed. You can see the C6 is relative, so is changing. C5 C6. Here you can see the C4 and F2 is fixed. So I hope you understand the relative and absolute reference. Now let's understand the mix. So I have the data and here you can see the total and I want to add the 90 plus 10. I want to add 90 plus 20, add 90 plus 30 I want to add. So how can possible? Here we have to understand the first is we this is the fixed. So this is called the column. So I write here the column we need to column fix and wrap. And 10, 20 and 30 this is the called row and we need to fix row. Okay. Now start equal, select this and as I said the column we need to fix. So press F4 first time so you can see the row and column H and 4 H for column and 4 is row logged but we want to fix column so again press same F4 here only log is row we need to fix column so again press F4 and here you can see your column is fixed because the here no will change we will not change plus now select this so row is fixed and row means 3 and I is column so we don't need to fix column we need to fix row so press F4 again F4 and you can see we lock row and enter when I drag the horizontal one moment one moment when I drag the horizontal so you can see the answer the 90 plus 10 100 90 plus 20 120 90 plus 30 120 answer is correct now I double click on it so here you can see the 75 10 85 75 20 95 75 30 105 105 so answer is correct so this is called the mixed so you should be remember column and row correct I show you the another example for understanding simple relative reference so equal 200 and enter when I drag so you can see this is the relative reference okay when I use the absolute select 20 and 20 absolute means is fixed so we will fix this reference with F4 and enter now you can see that you can drag in horizontal you can drag in vertical if you want to log the row particular row so equal 200 and here B is column and 30 is row so we log 30 so press F4 again F4 and here you can see we log row enter and double you can drag when I drag now so you can see the row our logged and your column is free okay now when I column is logged so equal select 200 and log C, column C. C is column, 2 is row, so fix C with F4 and enter. And when I drag here, so you can see your row, and when I drag here, your column. So your column is fixed. Understand? And this is the row. Okay. So your row is logged. So I hope you understand the about the cell reference and the cell reference, relative, absolute and mixed. So thank you watching this video. Keep practicing, stay touch. See you in next video. And one more thing I want to say, if you have any query about the cell reference regarding, please write in below comment box.